Now let us say we have this image which is about a handheld video game console, which is one of the best seller item in AliExpress, and you want to improve it to a new novel product that you can sell and make money out of it. So we go to the AI platform and press add and file and go to your download, browse, and go find your playbook, the AI Generator Playbook. Thank Allah, and press open, and it's loading. Now you will go and add the photo of the okay, this one. Now we will go through 30 prompts and we will get a novel product. So from this context, the our patent generator produced for us this holographic generator new toys that works like this. Look to the video. So this novel product is the concept is, instead of playing with the just screen, we added a small projector here, a hologram. So instead of playing on plain screen, now you can play and see 3 dimensions games and characters. This is also, it creates for us storyboard. So it basically, instead of the old way, boring way of just looking to the plain screen alone, now with this new project is very exciting, and you saw the hologram picture, so the whole family can interact with you and see what are you doing, and are you gaining or losing. And also you can, it's a multiplayer joy, and your family can play with you or friends. Now if you look to the AI estimation, this novel product's revenue in the first year might reach up to 15 million, and you can start your own company, and the price of each one is $199. So this playbook contains 30 prompts. From 1 to 10, it will take you from 0 and will innovate a new product like our previous holographic toy, and will then from 11 to 12 will guide you how to be a millionaire, how to establish a business, and how to apply for a patent, how to check for a demand, how to manufacture and sell your product, how to make your company, and what is the estimated revenue in first year, 5 years, 10 years, and so on. Then it will continue encouraging you for the coming 20 to 25 prompts to continue innovating. Allah is encouraging you to continue innovating. Look to the amazing creations of Allah. The one who created this amazing creation wants you to continue innovate. The AI will search for Quranic verses that encourage you to continue learn and ask for more knowledge and think. Allah also designed for us an innovation supporting socio-economic system that will be explained in the 20 to 25 sections. Also, you will find links to stories of real successful profitable innovation. Also will guide you to the game. It's not all about money. The aim is to worship Allah. It will try to link this novel product to ultimate goal, which is for the humans to worship Allah and spread and multiply over the universe to worship Allah. And the question number 30, when you are a billionaire now, what you will do? The AI will study the market in internet scanning mode and will suggest to you future business concept. For example, flying cars, green energy, and or out of the planets, like industrialization of the moon, asteroid mining, terraforming Mars. What the aim is to humanity to spread the universe worshipping Allah.